Listen, I am getting ready to answer you guys right now, your comments right here. So if you guys are watching this and you're like, do they even answer the comments? Yes, we answer our comments. I'm answering Mike here, Mike Swartz. Hashtag thanks Hanks for being you. Well, you know what, Mike? Hashtag thanks Mike for being you. You're awesome and I want to meet you one day. So does Nene. So come hit us up. What'd you grab?
I got the goods.
You got the goods?
Yeah. We still have like 2 hours till we can even check into our Airbnb, so we just grabbed what we'll need for tonight for dinner. We don't really have like a lot of room to store cold items. Honey, we're just gonna have to come back to Walmart again.
Well, this is okay because we live here. Babe, I am so excited to tell you and everyone else that this is the last time we have to check into an Airbnb. Hopefully. Fingers crossed, this is the last time. No more checking out and then checking back in.
The next thing we should be checking into is our RV, and I can't wait.
That's gonna be sweet. I cannot wait for that either. It's gonna be almost done and I'm so excited. I can't wait to go home. Like, we're gonna have our own home back. Dexter's gonna be a lot more happy. We're gonna be able to have all of our stuff with us. We can hit the road again, get a fresh start. And if you guys have no idea what we're talking about because you're just getting here and you're like, who the heck is Carl Nene and what are you even talking about? Check some of these videos out right here. But let me be the first to tell you, welcome to Indiana. Welcome to HappilyEverHanks. If you guys are out on the road, do you guys like utilize Walmart like the Hanks do? Or are you guys like, no, we don't use that. We're using some other grocery store. Throw it in the comments below. What is your go-to place to just rack up on the necessities?
Yeah, teach us something.
We got more campers pulling in. Look at this.
Wow.
Check this out. Look at that.
Please let us know in the comments if that's you.
That's a Coleman, and I see what you're doing there. See?
Big swings.
They're making the most use out of their trip right now. They know what's up. Lots of good vibes going on in the Walmart today. Everyone seems happy, even though it's cloudy.
It's a little crowded, but hey, it's Sunday.
Hey, everyone's getting their Sunday groceries.
Yeah.
I love that. What are you doing? Oh my goodness, are you one happy woman or what?
I am so happy.
This is like every RVer's dream come true, having your own washer and dryer. I mean, we're not really super special like all of you guys out there that are rocking the washer and dryer on the road, but now that we are out of the rig and in an Airbnb, we're loving this advantage. It's a nice day to do laundry too. It's a Sunday, it's raining.
Oh yeah, it's a
good laundry day.
Typical Sunday.
Yeah.
Vibes.
Are you feeling more comfy being tossed around between Airbnbs and hotels? Good. Dexter's been handling hopping between places fairly okay. The hotel he was a little sketched out on. I don't know. For whatever reason, the 2 nights we were there, he wanted to lay under the covers all day, all night. He just was not having it. But he's up and walking in the Airbnbs. Maybe he just has high standards. He's always like, hello, I need something a little more fancy than what's going on here. I'm like, I guess kids, right? They're always just trying to take the money right out of your wallets. Good old dad problems here. Not gonna lie, it gets really weird coming back into homes where you just like, that has unlimited running water, where you don't have to dump a tank. I mean, you got residential refrigerators, like, that's sweet. And dishwashers, like, I miss these things, but at the same time, I just enjoy using it for a little bit and then getting back in the rig and being like, yeah, I'm just gonna take my home wherever we go. Rainy day today. Let's just chill out today. I think we earned it. Yeah, see? Tell everyone you have a lot to say now. I think he's so talkative because he was like so pent up in that hotel. He didn't see a single word for like 2 nights.
He's like, you'll never hear what weekend I had.
I'm like, dude, I was there with you. I heard all about it. I was literally there trying to talk to you about it. He's like, I'm not talking right now. But now we're here and he's like,
How'd that go?
you know what I mean?
It's cute, babe.
We are almost home. Hang with us. We got a few more nights and then we're good. Hun, I told you to take this picture of me down. Goodness gracious. The neighbors are never gonna appreciate that like we will. We have such exciting news for you guys. Come here. I'm gonna let Nene break it to you on this one.
Our rig is done.
No way!
Like several days before the projected date.
We are finally getting out of the Airbnb in
Yeah.
the hotel. No more.
And it's Thanks Thursday.
Oh,
so it's just a great day.
it's just a great day.
We get to go to the RV. They have the fridge turned on, so everything's gonna get all cooled off, so we can move our food. It's awesome.
They went above and beyond. We're gonna let you in on all the details, so stay tuned for that because there is so many cool things that they did to our rig.
Yeah, we're so.
I mean, blew our expectations out of the water.
Let's finally move out of the last Airbnb.
Let's pack our lives up and our child.
Yes.
Dex, man.
Yeah.
And let's hit the road.
Okay, I'm ready.
Finally.
Let's do it.
Hey, I'm just gonna let you lock up then. So what's it like? What's it like spending almost 3 weeks out of our home? Well, it wasn't the funnest, but it's an adventure, and the RV life, it's always an adventure. There's gonna be bumps along the way. I'm not saying you're gonna get out on the road and then all of a sudden everything is gonna go peachy dory. More than likely, you're gonna have these times where you just gotta really be flexible with the way things go. It's gonna feel like you're getting punched and kicked when you're down. And I don't want to beat a dead horse, but I am gonna say it once and for all. The RV life is just like normal life, only in a smaller environment. So you got less room to work with, but it makes you more ready for times like this. We are more flexible. Had this happened a couple years ago when we were living in our sticks and bricks, it might have been the end of the world for us. I don't know, like, it makes you wonder how much you grow as a person. I know that we found a lot more patience within ourselves. I think Nene would agree that, you know, since being married, we've both grown individually, but together, more importantly, as a team. And yes, your wife will sit in the truck and wonder, when is it time to go? Some things just never change. How you doing? She's ready to go. She's so ready to go back to the RV. Our home is done and we are just so ecstatic. We are so excited. I can't wait to show you everything that they did to the RV. You're gonna be blown away. Home sweet home.
Now we have to go see what it looks like.
No way.
This is awesome. Let me just fill you in on what's happening. We were having uneven wear on our rear tires on the trailer. And we let them know because we weren't sure if it was an issue with the axles or what. and they went and replaced the tires for us. So this is awesome. We got brand spanking new G-rated Westlake tires.
Nice.
Now we got to see the roof. We had a sneak peek because we had to go grab stuff from the RV, but we're gonna show you guys the first look.
Here it is.
Come on. Wow.
It's like it never even happened.
They replaced this whole sidewall, the roof, this whole back. Look at this.
Wow, it's brand new looking.
And we got a new ladder, honey. So
We got a new ladder even.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. We are living the good life here.
You know what? Let's go up and see what it looks like so we can do like a comparison.
Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Go, go, go. Look at you. You look awesome. It's the little things, I tell you. What do you think up there, Skipper?
It's awesome.
You like it?
Yes.
Is it passing Nene's inspection? Any remnants of the tree up there?
Nope. This is so awesome.
Yes.
It looks so, it's like we have a new rig. She got some TLC and she is so ready to take us to a lot of places.
We're ready to hit the road. Hey, can I come up there? Hello? Okay. What? Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. We got our home back.
Yes.
How exciting is this?
I'm ready to go RVing.
Let's do this as a, yeah, oh my goodness,
Look at
everything
this.
is brand new.
This is like a new skylight they have.
Wow, this is like totally new.
This is really nice.
Whoa.
I guess it helps let more light in.
Okay.
I'm thinking, I don't know, but same thing over on the bathroom one. Look at that.
All right, we're getting the full Nene tour here.
And you don't even have to do the flex seal to the roof like you were doing before. It's
I
all
know.
good. Yes.
I know. It's the small things, right?
Right.
Now I just have a bunch of die-core sitting around. It's like a tree never even went through the RV.
Right.
What tree?
What tree? I don't even know.
Tell me. Tell
Right.
me to my face. What tree? There is no tree.
I mean, I gotta say, Grand Design just did such a good job, like keeping us in the loop and just getting the whole repairs done in a great amount of time. I feel like most places will say, oh, it's only gonna take a week, and then it ends up being 3 weeks, but they did a good job by saying it's probably gonna be about 3 weeks of repairs, but then they overshot and it was done sooner. So what a great surprise getting that phone call yesterday and saying that the RV was done.
I would say one of the things that just like really did it for me was the whole laundry list. We gave them a whole laundry list of things to do, and they hit every single point.
Yes.
Every bullet point. They're like, done, 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 done. And I'm loving that.
No problem.
The crazy part is that we had like simple stuff, like a latch that wasn't completely shutting on the side panel. They fixed it. I didn't even bring that up. They just noticed it and all their working and stuff, and they're like, I'll fix that. So
And there was an issue with the water heater
Yes.
leaking.
Yes.
And we didn't even know.
Exactly.
So-
And they addressed that.
I bet you now our water pressure is going to be like immaculate.
You think so?
Yes.
Oh, I love that. So if this ever happens to you guys out on the road, listen, it's gonna suck, but you're gonna get through it. Take the Hanks as an example here, onto greener pastures, and you just roll with those punches. We believe in you guys, and we're rooting for you. We love you.
Woo! And you know what? We have a video coming out, so let's get off the roof and
Oh yeah, we're gonna see
Move
you guys
on.
in just a couple hours.
yeah.
I love that. It's exciting. It's like we're seeing you here now, and then we're seeing you in a little bit.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
So if you guys are out there rocking an RV and you fully stand behind the brand name that you're driving around on the road, brag about it down in the comments and tell us and everyone else listening what you love about your RV unit. There's a lot of newbies here. There's a lot of new people going out on the road and they have no idea where to start. So let's all help them out as a community, because that's what the RV life is about. It's all about helping one another. What do you think there?
I'm ready to auto level.
You ready auto level? You need my big butt off this?
Come on down. Let's officially get moved in. I'm
Okay.
excited.
All right, sounds good. I just got comfy up here. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. Unlock the babe. Wow. It's so dark in there.
How do you RV? I gotta watch our own videos to figure out how to do this again.
Well, we can go back. We have a whole playlist on it now, so we can go back and watch them all.
Do you guys want to know what Carl did right before we took this in for service? When he was walking out the door, he got his shirt snagged on this handle and broke the whole piece off.
Way to go, Carl.
So, I don't know what advice I can give you. Like, make sure your shirt doesn't snag this, I guess.
Okay, Enough with your salty attitude today.
I'm gonna put the slides out, okay?
No, you're locking me out and everyone here. Honestly, at least I have you guys to talk to while she does this to me, because she just kicks me out and I have no one to talk to, but you guys are here and I at least get to talk to you. So, joke's on you. Ready? Oh, you're going now anyways, okay. Looking good, looking good. Oh, that slide ski looks awesome. Hot diggity dog. Stinker alert coming in.
All right.
Man of the hour here. Show everyone how much you love it here. You remember.
You remember?
Like, oh, yeah. I remember this place. I'm gonna put this cage under the underpass. You wanna grab this blanket?
Sure.
Right. Oh, snap.
I miss this RV
So much.
so much.
It's back. Look at that. Oh, wow.
Home is where you park it. Even though everything's fixed and looking great, you know, we gotta just vacuum up some of the, you know, little dust and stuff that occurred.
The dust bunnies.
The dust bunnies, but you guys want to see something cool?
Yes. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. It's beautiful.
There's no hole.
Amazing, baby. And can I just say one more time how happy we are to be home?
Yeah.
This is nice.
So nice.
It's exciting. We're gonna hit the road tomorrow.
And you're nice and sweaty.
I didn't know if that needed to be mentioned, but
When
we'll just throw it all out there like we always do. Are you happy to be home or what? He is definitely already comfy with being at home and stuff.
so am I.
So are you. Look at you going to town.
So happy. Oh, there's something about being in your own home. I mean, all the rental properties we stayed in were really nice, and I'm so grateful we had a roof over our heads, place to lay our heads at night,
Yes.
place to cook, but it's nice to be home.
It is nice to be home, and let me tell you, next priority is getting a haircut. Have you seen this lately? It's like there's a mop or a dead animal on my head right now. Just saying. I'm gonna get this video out and say hi to everyone in the comments. You guys.
Say hi.
Say hi.